Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SS Online Classes. Students, we were reading chapter 12 kinds of adjectives of our English language book on Stone. Students, in our last video, our topic was adjective. So students, included this topic adjective, we have read the definition of adjective with its example and with its all adjective words. And students, today we are going to continue this chapter 12 kinds of adjectives. And students, today's our topic is exercise of adjectives. So students, included this topic, today we are going to read and solve two exercise of adjectives in our today's class. Okay, so all students, please press partial listener class and listen to my words clearly. And let's see first exercise of adjectives. Students, so first exercise of adjective is fill in the blanks with adjectives that are opposite in meanings to the adjectives that are colored. Fill in the blanks, it means रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए या खाली स्थानों को भरिए. Okay, with adjectives, it's mean विशेषणों से, that means जो आर मीन्स है अपोजिट इन मीनिंग्स, इट्स मीन अर्थों में विपरीत या अर्थों में उल्टे. ओके, टू द एडजेक्टिव्स, इट्स मीन विशेषणों के लिए दैट आर कलर्ड, जो रंगे हुए हैं. ओके, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद एडजेक्टिव्स दैट आर अपोजिट इन मीनिंग्स टू द एडजेक्टिव्स दैट आर कलर्ड. ओके, इट्स मीन कि विशेषणों से रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए, विशेषणों से खाली स्थानों को भरिए, जो कि रंगे हुए विशेषणों से अर्थों में उल्टे हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस एक्सरसाइज अवर वर्क इज दैट, इस एक्सरसाइज में हमारा वर्क है कि जो हमें सेंटेंसेस दिए ना, ये जो हमें वाक्य दिए, इन सेंटेंसेस में जो हमारे कलर्ड एडजेक्टिव्स है. ओके, इट्स मीन जो कलर से अंडरलाइन है ना एडजेक्टिव, जैसे स्मॉल है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, शॉर्ट है, इजी, ब्यूटीफुल है ना, तो हमें ये जो ब्लैंक्स है ना, ये जो खाली स्थान है, इनमें हमें वो एडजेक्टिव राइट डाउन करने हैं जो इन एडजेक्टिव से मीनिंग में अपोजिट है. ओके, जो इन एडजेक्टिव से, जो हमारे कलर्ड एडजेक्टिव है ना, इनसे अर्थों में उल्टे हैं. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, लेट्स सी फर्स्ट नंबर सेंटेंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. स्टूडेंट्स, ऑफ फर्स्ट नंबर सेंटेंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज इज द माउस इज स्मॉल बट द एलिफेंट इज ब्लैंक फुल स्टॉप. ओके, द माउस मीन्स चूहा, इट मीन्स है, स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा, बट मीन्स लेकिन, द एलिफेंट मीन्स हाथी, इट मीन्स है. ओके, द माउस इज स्मॉल बट द एलिफेंट इज, इट्स मीन कि चूहा छोटा है लेकिन हाथी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस सेंटेंस स्मॉल इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव, ये हमारा एक एडजेक्टिव है ना. ओके, क्योंकि साइज को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वर्ड स्मॉल इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स दिस वर्ड स्मॉल it is describing the size of the mouse. Okay, and students, so students, the opposite adjective of this adjective small is big. Okay, small का जो opposite adjective होता है, okay, तो क्या होता है? big होता है. small means छोटा, big means बड़ा. clear? So all students write down here big, big, big in this first number blank. Understand? Then your correct first number sentence become the mouse is small but the elephant is big. It's mean कि चूहा छोटा है लेकिन हाथी बड़ा है. clear? तो स्मॉल का जो अपोजिट एडजेक्टिव है वो क्या है? बिग है. स्टूडेंट, लेट्स सी सेकंड नंबर सेंटेंस. स्टूडेंट्स, और सेकंड नंबर सेंटेंस इज मिस्टर रॉय इज स्ट्रॉन्ग बट मिसेस रॉय इज ब्लैंक फुल स्टॉप. ओके, मिस्टर रॉय इट्स मीन्स श्रीमान रॉय. ओके, इट मीन्स है स्ट्रॉन्ग मीन्स ताकतवर या मजबूत. ओके, बट मीन्स लेकिन मिसेस रॉय इट्स मीन्स श्रीमती रॉय, इट मीन्स है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, in this second number sentence strong it's an adjective because since it is telling us more about Mr. Roy. Okay, Mr. Roy के बारे में और अधिक जानकारी दे रहा है. Okay, तो that's why it's our an adjective. And since the adjective that are opposite of this colored adjective strong is weak. Okay, weak weak. तो strong का जो opposite adjective होगा वो क्या होगा? weak. Okay, so understand, write down here weak, weak in this second number blank. Understand? Then your second number sentence become Mr. Roy is strong but Mrs. Roy is weak. It's mean श्रीमान रॉय ताकतवर है या मजबूत है लेकिन श्रीमती रॉय कमजोर है. क्लियर? Students, your third number sentence is Reena is short but Tina is blank full stop. Okay, Reena it means है, short means छोटी, but means लेकिन, Tina okay it means है. तो students, in this third number sentence short it's an adjective because students, this word short it is describing about Reena. Okay, so students, in this third number sentence short it's an adjective. And students, the adjective that are opposite that have a opposite mean of this colored adjective short is tall. Okay, so all students write down here opposite adjective of this colored adjective short is tall. Okay, T-A-L-L tall. And then your third number sentence become Reena is short but Tina is tall. Okay, इट्स मीन कि रीना छोटी है लेकिन टीना लंबी है. टॉल मीन्स लंबी. ओके, तो शॉर्ट मीन्स छोटा, टॉल मीन्स लंबा. क्लियर? Students, of fourth number sentences, these sums are easy but those ones are blank full stop. Okay, this means ये sums. Students, we called additions questions sums. Okay, sums means होते हैं जोड़ या योग के सवाल. Okay, तो R means है easy means आसान. Okay, but means लेकिन those means वे ones, it's mean वे are means है. Okay, तो students, these sums are easy but those ones are. Okay, it's mean कि ये जोड़ के सवाल या ये योग के सवाल आसान है लेकिन वे है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस फोर्थ नंबर सेंटेंस easy, it's an adjective. okay, because students, it is describing about sums. ये क्योंकि sums के बारे में बता रहा है, it is describing to sums. ये sums को describe करेगा, जो sums है वो हमारे easy है. ओके, और students, the opposite adjective of easy is difficult. okay, difficult. So all students write down here difficult in this blank, and students then your fourth number sentence become these sums are easy but those ones are difficult. It's mean कि ये जोड़ के सवाल या ये योग के सवाल आसान है लेकिन वे कठिन है. क्लियर? डिफिकल्ट मीन्स कठिन. ओके, तो इजी का अपोजिट क्या हो गया? डिफिकल्ट. एंड बोथ आर अवर एडजेक्टिव, और दोनों ही हमारे एडजेक्टिव है. क्लियर? इजी एंड डिफिकल्ट दोनों. Students, of fifth number sentence is the butterfly is beautiful but the cockroach is blank full stop. okay, the butterfly it's mean titli, it means है. beautiful means sundar but means लेकिन. the cockroach okay, it means है. students, in this fifth number sentence our colored adjective is beautiful, it means sundar. okay, and students, beautiful it's an adjective because it is describing about butterfly. okay, क्योंकि butterfly को describe कर रहा है. okay, it is giving us more information of butterfly, that butterfly is beautiful. okay, and students, you know what the opposite of this beautiful adjective is ugly. okay, जो opposite होता है, उल्टा होता है ये beautiful adjective का. okay, सुंदर विशेषण का वो क्या होता है? ugly. okay, so all students write down here ugly, UGLY, ugly in this blank, and students then your fifth number sentence become the butterfly is beautiful but the cockroach is ugly. okay, it's mean कि तितली सुंदर है लेकिन कॉकरोच ugly. ugly means होता है student भद्दा, कुरूप. okay, तो बट तितली सुंदर है लेकिन कॉकरोच भद्दा है या बुरा है या कुरूप है. क्लियर? students, let's see sixth number sentence. students, our sixth number sentence is Sita is thin but Simran is blank full stop. okay, students, Sita it means है, thin means पतली but means लेकिन. Simran okay, it means है. तो students, सीता पतली है लेकिन सिमरन है. okay, students, in this sixth number sentence thin it's an adjective because it is describing about सीता. ये सीता को describe कर रहा है, सीता के बारे में describe कर रहा है. okay, so that's why it's our an adjective, हमारा adjective है. and students, you know what the opposite word of this adjective thin is thick. okay, तो जो opposite word होता है, हमारा जो opposite adjective होता है थिन का, वो क्या होता है? थिक होता है. सो ऑल्सो राइट डाउन हियर थिक, THIC के थिक, या फैट भी हो सकता है, फैटी फैट. ओके, इन दिस ब्लैंक एंड देन योर सिक्स नंबर सेंटेंस बिकम सीता इज थिन बट सिमरन इज थिक. इट्स मीन कि सीता पतली है लेकिन सिमरन मोटी है. ओके, थिक मीन्स होता है मोटी. क्लियर? Students, seventh number sentence is here is black but the tooth is blank full stop. Students, here means बाल, it means है, black means काले but means लेकिन, the tooth it means दांत. okay, it means है. and students, you know what, in this 7 number sentence our colored adjective is black. okay, it's mean काला, and since it's an adjective because it is describing color of hair. ये hair के color को describe कर रहा है. okay, and we have read कि जो हमारे color से जितने related words होते हैं वो हमारे adjective होते हैं ना. and students, you know what, the opposite adjective of black is white. okay, so listen, write down here white, WHITE, white in this blank, and then your seventh number sentence become here is black but tooth is white. okay, here is black but the tooth is white. it's mean कि बाल काला है लेकिन दांत सफेद है. ओके, टूथ है ना, तो इट्स अ सिंगुलर वर्ड, एक सिंगुलर वर्ड है. ओके, एंड हियर इट्स आल्सो अ सिंगुलर वर्ड. Students, let's see eighth number sentence, which is last sentence of this exercise. Students, so eighth number sentence is tea is hot but juice is blank full stop. okay, it's mean tea means chai, it means है, hot means गर्म. okay, but means लेकिन juice means juice, it means है. okay, juice means रस होता है हिंदी में. Students, in this eighth number sentence hot is it's our colored adjective, हमारा colored adjective है. okay, तो students, hot it's an adjective because it is describing about tea. okay, tea को describe कर रहा है, tea के बारे में बता रहे हैं. it is giving us more information about tea, that tea is hot. okay, and students, the opposite of hot is cool. so also write down here cool, COOL, cool. cool means ठंडा. okay, and students, then your 8 number correct sentence become tea is hot but juice is cool. it's mean कि चाय गर्म है लेकिन जूस ठंडा है. clear? so students, we have read and solved all sentences of this exercise. And students, I hope you must have understood this exercise. You have no problem in any sentence, in any word in this first number exercise. Students, let's see second number exercise. Students, our second number exercise is complete the following sentences by choosing the correct describing word. Students, you know what the second name of adjective is? Describing word. Okay, adjective का दूसरा नाम describing word भी होता है. हम adjective को describing word भी बोलते हैं. It's mean वर्णन करने वाला शब्द. Okay, complete means पूरा करिए. The following means निम्न लिखिए. Sentences it's mean वाक्यों. By means द्वारा. Choosing means चुनकर. The correct means सही. Describing word it's mean वर्णन करने वाला शब्द. Okay, complete the following sentences by choosing the correct describing word. It's mean कि सही वर्णन करने वाले शब्द को चुनकर निम्नलिखित वाक्यों को पूरा करिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस एक्सरसाइज आवर वर्क इज दैट, इस एक्सरसाइज में हमारा वर्क है कि जो हमें 2 डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स दिए ना, इनमें से हमें करेक्ट डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स को चूज करके इन ब्लैंक पे राइट डाउन करके इन सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है. क्लियर? Students, let's see first number sentence of this exercise. Students, so first number sentence is the peacock is blank beauty oblique ugly full stop. Okay, students, we know that peacock is our national bird and peacock is the beautiful bird. Okay, तो peacock है वो हमारा national bird है, राष्ट्रीय पक्षी और एक beautiful bird है ना. तो students, the correct describing word in this first number sentence is beautiful. Okay, so all students, tick below this first number describing word beautiful and write down beautiful, beautiful beautiful in this blank, and since then your correct first number sentence become the peacock is beautiful. It's mean more sundar hai. Clear? The peacock means more, it means hai, beautiful means sundar. The peacock is beautiful, it's mean more sundar hai. Students, in this first number sentence beautiful it's an adjective because it is telling us more about peacock. Okay, that peacock is beautiful. ये हमें beautiful जो word है हमारा adjective है विशेषण, क्योंकि हमें मोर के बारे में और अधिक बता रहा है कि मोर कैसा है, beautiful है. Clear? Students, so second number sentence is a balloon is blank heavy oblique light full stop. Okay, the a balloon it's mean एक गुब्बारा. Okay, a means एक, balloon means गुब्बारा, it means है. Students, heavy it's mean भारी and light it's mean हल्का. Okay, students, we know that a balloon is light, कि जो balloon होता है वो light होता है, हल्का होता है. Okay, so students, the correct describing word in this second number sentence is light. Okay, so all students tick below this second number describing word light and write down light, LIGHT light in this blank, and then your correct second number sentence become a balloon is light. It's mean कि एक गुब्बारा हल्का है. Clear? Students, in the second number sentence light it's an adjective because it is telling us more about balloon. Okay, ये हमें balloon के बारे में और अधिक बता रहे कि balloon कैसा है, light. Clear? Students, our third number sentence is the moon is blank hot oblique cold full stop. Okay, the moon means चंद्रमा, it means है. Students, your describing words are hot it's mean गर्म and cold it's mean ठंडा. Students, we know that the moon is cold, कि moon जो है वो cold है, ठंडा है ना, चंद्रमा ठंडा है. Students, in this third number sentence your correct describing word is second number describing word cold. So all students tick below this second number describing word cold and write down cold in this blank, cold cold it's mean ठंडा, and students then your correct third number sentence become the moon is cold it's mean चंद्रमा ठंडा है. Okay, या चांद ठंडा है. Okay, moon means होता है चंद्रमा या चांद. And students, so fourth number sentence is the lemon is a blank sour oblique sweet full stop. Okay, students, the lemon it's mean कि नींबू it means है, sour it's mean खट्टा, sweet it's mean मीठा. Students, we know that the lemon is sour. Okay, कि जो lemon होता है वो sour होता है, it's mean कि नींबू खट्टा होता है ना, sweet नहीं होता है, मीठा नहीं होता है. So students, in this sentence your correct describing word is first number describing word sour. So all students tick below this first number describing word sour, sour sour, and write down sour sour in this blank, and students then your fourth number sentence become the lemon is sour it's mean नींबू खट्टा है. Clear? Students, so fifth number sentence is an as it's a blank clever oblique full is full stop. Okay, and means एक, as means गधा, it means है. Okay, students, clever it's mean चालाक, foolish it's mean मूर्ख. Okay, students, we know that कि an ass is a foolish animal. Okay, कि जो ass होता है वो एक foolish animal होता है, गधा जो होता है वो एक मूर्ख बेवकूफ जानवर होता है. So students, in this sentence your correct describing word is second number describing word foolish. Okay, so I'll send tick below this second number describing word foolish and write down foolish, FOOLISH foolish it's mean मूर्ख या बेवकूफ in this blank, and then your fifth number correct sentence become an ass is foolish it's mean कि एक गधा मूर्ख है. Clear? Students, so sixth number sentence is the lion is blank strong oblique weak full stop. Okay, students, so the lion it's mean शेर it means है, strong it's mean ताकतवर, weak it's mean कमजोर. Okay, students, we know that the lion is the king of forest and it is the strong animal. ये strong animal होता है. So students, in this sentence your correct describing word is strong. So all students take below this first number describing word strong and write down strong in this blank, STRONG strong it's mean ताकतवर. Okay, and then your correct sixth number sentence become the lion is strong it's mean कि शेर ताकतवर जानवर है. Okay, या the lion is strong है ना, it's mean कि शेर ताकतवर है. Okay, weak means कमजोर होता है और lion weak नहीं हो सकता. Understand? So 7th number sentence, which is last sentence of this exercise, is the hare is a blank, slow, oblique, swift, full stop. Okay, students, the hare, it means खरगोश. Okay, it means है, slow means धीमा, swift means तीव्र गति से चलने वाला. Okay, शीघ्रगामी जिसे हम बोलते हैं. Students, we know that this hare is swift. Okay, जो खरगोश होता है वो बहुत ही तेज, बहुत ही फास्ट रन करते हैं, बहुत ही तेज चलते हैं ना. So students, in this sentence your correct describing word is second number describing word swift. So all students take below this second number describing word swift and write down swift as SWIFT swift. It's mean शीघ्रगामी, तेज चलने वाला. Okay, in this blank, and since then your sentence become the hare is swift. It's mean कि खरगोश शीघ्रगामी है. Or we can say also that कि खरगोश तेज चलने वाला है. Clear? So students, we have read and solved this exercise, and I hope you must have understood this exercise. You have no problem in any sentence, in any describing word in this exercise. Now students, I am going to describe your class 1 homework, so all students listen to my words clearly. Students, today's your classwork is that solve both exercise of the chapter 12 kinds of adjectives in your fair English language notebook with your best handwriting and send me your work here. It's a today's classwork. And students, today's homework is that learn both exercise of the chapter 12 kinds of adjectives from your fair English language notebook. It's your today's homework. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork. Solve both exercise of the chapter 12 kinds of adjectives in your fair English language notebook with your best handwriting and send me your work here. Thank you.